Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Earthtress. Let me just say a big welcome. Whew, I was going too fast right there. Let me just say a big welcome to you. You guys are awesome for being here. I do appreciate you guys so much. Yes, I do. But anyways, and the much side is chippy. But anyways, I do appreciate you guys so much. You guys are truly awesome for being here. So before I get into this video, if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead, like, share. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. Hit that big red word down there that marks subscribe. Yes. And also, let me just say, hit that bell right beside it, because you will be the first to know whenever I upload a video. You'll be the first to know. So go ahead and subscribe. That would be absolutely amazing. And yeah, I'm truly grateful. So in today's video, I'm going to do a ponytail on my natural hair, my TWA. Yes. Anyways, let's get into this. So here we have some extra hold, we have control gel, and I also have the soft jumbo braids. This is the braid I choose to use for the ponytail, and I also have the bobby pins. So these are all the things I'm going to be using in my hair for today. Right now I'm just figuring out where I want my ponytail to be at. So yes, and then I'm going to just catch that part with elastic. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to take a crochet lock, and I have my crochet needle, and I'm just going to lock that in my hair. So yeah. Okay, so what I'm going to do right now is to wrap the hair in a bun. So yeah, this is where my ponytail will be at. All I have to do is just comb the hair towards that direction. Very easy. So yeah. Okay, so right now I'm just sectioning the hair, and I'm going to put edge control on each section and comb it towards the bun. Yeah, so the reason why I'm doing this, guys, because I want my hair to be as flat as possible and as sleek as possible. So I'm going section by section and do this exact same thing I'm doing right here. Yes, comb it straight to the bun so I can get everything as flat as possible and as neat as possible. So yeah. Wow, look at that, guys. There is absolutely no bumps. My hair is absolutely sleek, like sleek, sleek. Okay, so right now I'm taking out the braids I'm going to use for my ponytail, and I'm going to just, stretch the ends a bit so I can have ends to, braid out. Basically, you all know what I mean. Okay, so I'm going to take this and I'm going to just wrap that around here and just make a knot, basically. And I'm going to just wrap that now around my bun as tightly as possible, because you know why your ponytail drop off easily. So you just do it as many times you can, and there you have it. Yes, secure that ponytail. Guys, me not lie, this was a bit of a struggle for me to plait my hair like this. Yeah, worse, the fan was blowing, so the hair was just flying all over the place. So I have to just take my time and make it work, and it did work. So yeah. Okay, so you guys remember this hair I left out, so I'm going to use that and wrap around the base of the hair just to hide any imperfections like the elastic, the scrunchie, anything that's showing. You want to ensure that you cover it, yeah, because you want it to look as real as possible, as natural as possible. You want the hair to come like it a grow from your root, like a your ear. So I'm going to use some bobby pins and secure that. Okay, so right now I'm going to do my baby hairs, and let me just say this, I'm not too big on baby hairs, so I'm just going to keep it simple, just simple. Okay, so I'm going to use the edge control on my edges, and let me just say this edge control is the bomb.com. Like, trust me, I mean, it get the job done, guys. It holds my hair in place, like it's amazing. I love it, and it doesn't leave any flakes. I'm so in love with this, like absolutely in love. And let me just say, I hot water the braid, guys, so my braid can be more sleek and more flowy. So yeah. No man, I love this, I not lie. I love that hairstyle. For the longest while, my hair was always short. Like, I didn't want to grow up my hair, but let me tell you, man, you know, like my little baby hair them, yes so, I mean, it's a one. It's a one. But I tell the truth, I don't do bad. Don't. I don't do bad. I don't do bad. Oh, guys. No. If you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like and share the video, guys. That would be much appreciated. So yeah, this is it. Until next time, walk good, take care, big up on a nice clean self, big up on a nice clean self. Until next time, bye.